YouTube friends. I just kind of wanted to show you what I've been working on. I do design and I do them on fabric, and so I just thought I'd put some of my designs on paper and maybe start some paper packs. And I just kind of want to see what you thought. Um, I am going to make something with this so we can see what it looks like. I just pretty much got about a bag, so working on this all night. But here's some of my designs. I didn't do the back side of them, so I just did the front, and this is one. My design is getting close, and the camera doesn't show the vivid color. I just don't get it, but it never. Maybe I need a new camera. And then this, I did the flowers and then put them on a brown with the cream colored polka dots. And then this is kind of like a design to go with it. And then a plaid. And then this design here. And then I did this. And some roses and some butterflies on a really dark teal background. And then a plaid. And then I did this. Now that can be big or go smaller, it don't matter, it's seamless, so it will go however many times. And then I did this. It's a painted, peeled, or background. But that's what I did, and that's what I've been working on. This is some really thick paper. I'll probably end up having to get actually maybe a thinner paper. I'm not really for sure what size they print these on. So anyway, so this is what I've been working on. I'll be back later to do a project with them. And then tell me what you think below in the comments. And tell me if you were going to do something that you would buy these. That would make me happy. So anyway, I'm going to go off. I'm going to go eat my first meal for today. And I just want to show you these real quick. And so you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe. God bless.